Hey makers! Today is a super fun day in the studio. We're grabbing a simple wooden base and turning it into this incredibly chic serving board using wine corks and my favorite product for projects like this, Craft Resin for arts and crafts. It's genuinely such an easy and rewarding way to create a unique home decor. First up, let's talk about resin. I always reach for the Craft Resin Arts and Crafts because it is beautifully clear, and the simple 1:1 mixing ratio just makes life so much easier. Now, this is the most important part. You need to stir thoroughly for around 3 to 5 minutes. But listen, stir gently. We definitely want to avoid trapping a bunch of air bubbles. Okay, I'm taking a small amount of my mix and adding a little pigment to create a nice, solid base color. Give that another quick stir until the color is totally consistent. Next, I'm pouring a thin anchor layer of that colored resin onto the bottom of the mold. This is just to hold things in place. Then bring on the wine corks. You simply lay the corks right onto that thin resin layer. I just love how the natural texture of the cork contrasts so beautifully with the future glossy finish. Now for the magic part, the clear flood. I take the rest of the clear resin and toss in some shimmering golden flakes. I mean, come on, who doesn't love a bit of sparkle in their finished piece? We pour this beautiful, transparent mix right over the top, fully submerging the corks. All right, now comes the hardest part, the weight. We let this cure for 24 hours. Once it's hard, we pop it out. I just sand down any sharp edges or little drips. That's totally normal. To really seal everything and give it that final gorgeous sheen, I apply one last thin coat of clear craft resin. Let that cure for another 24 hours, and that's it. You are officially all set. Look at that finish. You've got a high-quality, stunning wooden board. It was easy, it was fun, and the result is absolutely beautiful. Happy crafting, everyone!